All right, what going on, y'all? Hey, look, I gotta show y'all something. If y'all get stranded in the metro Atlanta area and you fall on hard time and you need somewhere to go to get you some groceries, I want y'all to check out this place right here. It's pretty much like a grocery store. It gives you that same experience. So let's go. All right, y'all, we done finally made it here. As you can see, well, you probably can't see that sign. Let me go up for a closer look. But I'm about to show y'all this grocery store experience. And here's the name and the address and what time and what days they are open right here. Now, one thing you got to do, you have to make an appointment. So let's see what's going on. Like I say, this is a they have a grocery store feel to it. As you can see, the aisle is pretty much like a grocery store, but this is actually a food pantry. As you can see the shelves, the item I just got, you can only get one of these per household because they trying to make sure everybody get a little something. Got a whole grocery store feel to it. So keep that in mind. But let me get done here and we'll do a review of all what I have once I get through. Okay, I'm done. Like I said, got like a grocery store feel to it. This is a food pantry. I think you can come every other week by appointment. As you can see, people are coming out with buggies. Just like you would if you go to Walmart or Kroger. Now, today, they normally have more stuff, but I guess due to the tariffs that Donald Trump got going on, a lot of places are feeling the impact. So, but they still have a lot of good stuff. Let's see what they gave me. I thank my black Jesus. I thank my black God. It's like $50 worth of stuff. Okay, we got chicken. Uh-oh, New York. We got that NYC, them NYC bagels. They got the Taco Bell, crunchy and soft tacos. Fried chicken bites and look like macaroni and cheese. Six bags of popcorn. Pretzel sticks. Got 2 of these. They give you some pretty good stuff now. Real talk. I don't eat sweets, but when I do, I love the good stuff. Got 2 of these. What it is? Those are like some soft cookies with like cream in the inside. They give you name brand stuff too. 1 jar of peanut butter. 4 of those. This is good if you like me, you like to work out and walk a lot in the sun and sweat. Drink you 1 or 2 of these. I mean, it's milk. Milk really is not supposedly good for you, but 1 or 2 won't hurt every now and then. All name brand stuff. And then look, my favorite. I've been looking for this in the morning. Got to have my coffee in the morning, man. I ain't had none in like 2 weeks, man. Been out here struggling, but like I say, I don't cry, I don't complain. And what this struggle taught me is to not have too much bad pride. You know, swallow your pride. You're going to have to tap into those resources. Got 2 of those. I probably don't use nothing but the sauce out of it. You know, I love stuff like this too. Oh man, that's some good stuff down. Got more snacks. I think they let you get like 5 of those. Got some seasoning this time. Cereal. All name brand stuff. I'm gonna eat those raw. More snacks. And that's it right there. Normally they have like other stuff like deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrushes. But today they're kind of low. Like I say, I believe they're getting the impact of the tariffs. So that's it, man. Let me wrap this stuff up. Like I say, y'all can come here by appointment if you find yourself on Tyra Boulevard in Clayton County. Don't have too much bad pride, because some of y'all ain't making over $30,000 a year. Come on, let's be real. I'ma holler at y'all. All right, I got everything tied down. As you can see, I got my little, I guess you can say my little 2-wheel cart. All you have to do is lean it back and kind of like, you can pull it or you can push it. Either way, I like pulling it. It just gives me more leverage. You know, I don't have a car at the moment, so I had to grab one of these from Walmart, and I think they like $20. They probably don't went up. I say between $15 to $25. You can get one of those. Well, yeah, man. Let me get on. I'ma holler at y'all.